When you search for pot lids, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same materials, and same claims. But to really find out what works and what doesn't, you have to look beyond the surface.
Product number 1, Ecolution Universal Lid. The Ecolution Universal Lid. This versatile lid caught my eye because it fits multiple sizes, from 9.5 inches to 12 inches. Priced at $16.99, it's an affordable option. If you want a lid that can replace several of your old, mismatched ones, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this lid stands out. It's designed to fit a range of cookware, including frying pans, pots, and woks. This means less clutter in your kitchen cabinets. The tempered glass allows you to see your food without lifting the lid, which is great for monitoring your cooking. Plus, it has a vent to release excess steam, preventing messy spillovers. With over 1,000 sold in the last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some reviewers mention that the lid doesn't fit every pot perfectly. Here's the thing though, as long as you have compatible sizes, it should work fine. It's really about substituting multiple lids with one universal solution. This is perfect for you if you want to save space and money by replacing several old lids with just one. Skip this if you're looking for something tailored for a very specific pot size. For the price, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Guanxi Silicone Lids 8-pack. We have the Guanxi Silicone Lid Set. Priced at $22.99, this 8-pack is a colorful addition to your kitchen. If you want a flexible solution that covers various bowls and pots, you'll want to check this out. This set comes with 6 universal sizes, perfect for fitting over bowls, plates, and pots. The silicone is heat and cold resistant, meaning you can use it in the microwave, oven, or fridge. This versatility is a game changer for anyone who hates cleaning splatters. However, they don't have a vacuum suction function unless used under specific conditions, which some users found disappointing. But honestly, if you're just looking for a reliable cover, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal if you want an assortment of lids for different containers. Skip this if you need something strictly for pots, as these lids are more general purpose. For the number of lids you get, it's quite a good deal.
Product number 3, Elknove Universal Lid. The Elknove Universal Lid. This one's priced at $14.99 and fits 10.5 to 12-inch pots and pans. If you're looking for a sturdy and straightforward lid, this might be just what you need. What's great about this lid is its multifunctionality. It can fit various cookware, which helps keep your kitchen organized. The vent hole prevents spillovers, and the glass design lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid. It's made of heat-proof silicone and can withstand temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius. However, some people have pointed out that the lid can be a bit heavy, but honestly, that's not a big issue for the quality you're getting. This is perfect for those who want to replace multiple lids with one durable option. Skip this if you need something lightweight, as it might feel a bit heavy in hand. For $14.99, it offers solid value. Product number 4, Goodful Silicone Lids 3-piece. We have the Goodful Silicone Lid Set for $19.99. This set includes 3 different sizes, making it adaptable for various pots and pans. If you want something eco-friendly that replaces plastic wrap, this is worth considering. These lids are made from BPA-free silicone and can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They're designed to create an airtight seal, which is great for storing leftovers or keeping food warm. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, some users have mentioned that the seal isn't as strong as they expected. But here's the thing, for everyday use, they're still quite effective and help reduce waste from plastic wraps. This is perfect if you want a sustainable option for food storage. Skip this if you need a traditional pot lid for cooking, as their main function is for storage. For 3 sizes at this price, it's a good investment. Product number 5, Cookware Universal Lid 2-pack. We have the Cookware Universal Lid Set, which includes 2 lids for $23.99. If you need versatile options that fit a range of sizes from 7 to 12 inches, this one's a solid contender. These lids are made from tempered glass and food-grade silicone, offering a durable and safe solution. They feature a steam vent to prevent overflow and allow you to monitor your cooking progress. One thing to note is that some users found the silicone ring a bit loose, but honestly, as long as you're careful when using it, it does its job well. This is ideal for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized with a multi-sized solution. Skip this if you need something that fits a very specific pot tightly. For 2 lids at this price, you're getting decent value. Ecolution offers a great universal option. Guanxi gives you multiple sizes in a colorful pack. Elknove provides a sturdy single lead. Goodful focuses on eco-friendly storage, and Kamokaru covers a range of sizes. Each option has its strengths, so think about what fits your kitchen best.